Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a portfolio in Canva. Alright, let's begin. To get started, open your browser and head to canva.com. In the search bar at the top, type Portfolio Website. This will display a wide range of pre-designed website templates specifically made for portfolio use. These templates are designed for various professions, such as graphic designers, photographers, video editors, and other creatives. Browse through the template options and hover over each one to preview its layout and design. Choose a template that fits your style and profession. Once you've decided, click on Customize this template. This opens the Canva editor, where you can begin personalizing every section. In the left-hand menu, you'll see options to add elements, photos, text, videos, audio, and uploads. You can drag these components onto your template to replace or enhance the existing content. Let's start by replacing the profile photo. Click on Uploads, select an image of yourself, and drag it over the placeholder. Canva's Smart Design interface will snap your image into position automatically. Next, update the text on your homepage. Click on any text box and type your name, title, or tagline. You can change the font style, size, and alignment using the toolbar above. For contrast and readability, choose a font color that stands out against the background. For example, set the background to black and change the text color to white. Continue editing each section by adding your work samples. You can upload screenshots, photos, or designs directly into Canva. Once uploaded, drag them into the placeholders on the template. You can rearrange them for better spacing or alignment. If a section doesn't apply to your work, you can easily remove it. Click on the page you don't need, then select Delete Page. Let's say you want to showcase a series of portfolio projects. You can upload multiple images, then insert text boxes beneath each image to include titles, descriptions, tools used, or client details. Align each image and its corresponding text to keep your layout consistent. If you want to replicate the same layout across different sections, hold Shift, click on the elements, right-click, select Copy, and then Paste. This saves time and maintains design consistency throughout your site. If you find a particular page layout that works well, you can duplicate it instead of creating new pages from scratch. This is useful when you want to showcase similar types of work, but with different visuals and descriptions. Just click on the page and select Duplicate Page. Swap out the images and edit the text while preserving the layout. You can also customize the background of each section. Click on the background area, then select a color or gradient that matches your branding. If your brand uses a specific color palette, enter the hex codes to apply those exact colors. Canva also lets you add buttons, icons, or links, useful for directing visitors to your LinkedIn, email, or Behance profile. Scroll through the entire website to double-check your layout. Delete any placeholder content that's no longer relevant. Adjust image sizes and positions for symmetry. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure your design looks polished. Remember, a clean, minimal layout is often more effective than a cluttered one. Once everything looks good, it's time to preview your website. Click Preview in the top right corner of the editor. Canva will show you how your portfolio appears on desktop and mobile. This is important because visitors may view your site on different devices. Scroll through both versions to verify that all images, text, and elements are properly aligned and responsive. If your mobile preview looks off, go back to the editor and make layout adjustments. Canva's templates are responsive, but manual tweaking might be necessary for optimal appearance on smaller screens. Now it's time to publish. Click the Publish Website button. You'll be given two options: publish using a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain. If you have a domain purchased from another provider, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, Canva allows you to link it easily. There are tutorials available if you need help setting that up. Before finalizing the publish process, you can customize your website name, browser tab title, and URL. For example, use your full name or business name as the tab title. For the free domain, Canva will generate a URL based on your project title, but you can change it to something more memorable and professional. Click Continue, and Canva will begin preparing and uploading your design. Your portfolio will then be hosted on the web and ready to share. So that's basically how you can create a portfolio in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.